Hi, 8th grade. This is lesson 3 of module 6. The I can statement says I can find and interpret initial value and rate of change. So this is the Spark Your Learning. We're not going to do this together, but it has information that will help you in the next section. So I encourage you to do this. Just give it a try. Bonnie has decided to join a gym for the next 3 months. Fabulous Fitness charges $45 per month. Greg's Gym charges $99 at the end of each quarter. So that's important that you know what each quarter means. Think about a year is 12 months and dividing it into fourths. How can she compare the two options to determine the better value? And then they give you some ideas over here of what you might use to help you make that comparison. You can make a table or use a graph of some kind, or, well, you need a pencil. So try that, and then we'll look at the build understanding. All right, so let's look at interpret rate of change and initial value, the build understanding. Again, here's the I can statement over here. I can find and interpret initial value and rate of change. So this says many real-world functional relationships have only non-negative inputs and rates of change that are constant. You can use initial value and the rate of change to analyze such functions. Initial value is the value of a function when the input is 0. And if you remember from previous modules, the input is what is along the x-axis. So that would be when x equals 0, that's the initial value of the function. And then it says a constant rate of change describes the slope or steepness of the graph, or how quickly two quantities change. So number 1 says Bonnie continues to research gym options and finds out that Fabulous Fitness charges no sign-up fee, while Greg's Gym charges $50 for the initial sign-up. She makes the following table to help her compare the two options. And so if you remember, Greg's Gym charges $99 every quarter in addition to the $50 initial fee. So they ask in A, how much would Bonnie need to pay just to join each gym? B, how much would Bonnie need to pay per month at each gym? So they're helping you go through this step by step to look at all the parts. C, use an equation to calculate the total cost for 3 months of each gym option. And D, in the equation, y equals mx plus b, and that's our slope-intercept form, if you remember from the last lesson. The slope m represents the constant rate of change, or cost per month. What does the y-intercept b represent on the graph of the function? So go ahead and pause here, work on those problems, and then we'll come back and work on those together. All right, so A says how much would Bonnie need to pay just to join each gym? So that would be the sign-up fee. So at Fabulous Fitness, the sign-up fee is $0. There's no sign-up fee there. And then at Greg's Gym, they charge a $50 sign-up fee. So that's all that they want you to do there, is how much does it cost to join each gym. In B, it asks how much would Bonnie need to pay per month at each gym? And her table helps you. So you can see for Fabulous Fitness, I'm just going to write FF. They charge $45 per month. And then at Greg's Gym, they don't give you a per month fee. It's, remember, $99 per quarter. So every 3 months, you would pay the $99. So it would be $0 for months 1 and 2. And then it would be $99 at month 3. And there are different ways you can write that, so whatever makes the most sense for you. C says, use an equation to calculate the total cost for 3 months of each gym option and show your work. So again, we can do Fabulous Fitness. This is a little bit better line for the pen. It's $45 per month, so that's 45 times 3 because they're talking about 3 months, plus the initial fee is 0 for this one. So that would be your equation, and then it equals 45 times 3 is 135 for Fabulous Fitness. That would be her cost for the 3 months. Greg's Gym is 99 for it's the 3 months, but you only want to say times 1 because that's only they only charge it that one time at month 3, plus the $50 fee. So that would be 99 times 1 is 99 plus 50 would be $149. So those are the equations you could use for those two gyms. So now let's look at D. In the equation y equals mx plus b, the slope m represents the constant rate of change or cost per month. What does the y-intercept b represent on the graph of the function? So remember, the y-intercept is where your x value is 0. And so that would be your initial cost. So for Fabulous Fitness, the initial cost is 0. And for Greg's Gym, the initial cost is $40 or $50. So one way you could say it, B represents the initial value of the function. So basically just what it would cost just to join the gym. So that's this lesson. This is the Build Understanding. So go ahead and do the Step It Out and the rest of the problems on your own. And we'll see you in lesson 4.